Hi Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or 100% accurate para sa'yo. The energy is timeless, so pwede itong nangyari ngayon, or mangyayari pa lang. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Libra. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you. Ano yung mga gabay, mensahe at mga blessings for Libra. Libra. Okay. Okay. You are worried about a situation, maybe about work, okay? You're thinking about your stability, about your finances, about an opportunity, okay? Merong pagsisiyasat, evaluation na nangyayari or in the workplace for some of you, okay? So, change is coming for you, Libra. Okay? Things will improve. You are worrying too much or nag-aalala kayo. Sometimes in the middle of the night, nagigising kayo. You're thinking about your situation. Yung iba sa inyo, merong self-limiting beliefs, no? Parang nag-iisip kayo ng negative, okay? Hindi nyo nakikita yung positive sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? Or maybe you are paranoid for some of you. Merong paranoia. Okay? Yeah. You are ending a situation, a difficult time. Okay? It's time for you to improve, to level up. Most especially when it comes to your career. Okay? Or when it comes sa trabaho, or when it comes sa kaperahan. May mga opportunities for you to succeed, no? Yeah, and to increase your money. Okay? Yeah, merong planning or discussion, evaluation na nangyayari about performance. You're thinking about it. Okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Okay. Be patient about an opportunity, Libra. Okay. For some of you, you're thinking about a partnership or a relationship. You're thinking about someone. Okay? Forgiveness needed in the situation. Yung iba sa inyo, merong bagong opportunity or career, no, na ino-offer sa inyo. Maybe this is a business venture, new contracts, or meron kayong mga na-close na deal. Okay? Yeah. This parang merong kang matatanggap, no? When it comes sa finances. Okay? You need to be strong. You need to be confident. Okay? But you need to remain patient, no? In your situation. Maging disiplinado. Okay? And controlled at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you are planning on something. Okay, maybe this is a collaboration. Okay, you are planning to meet someone. Okay, or maybe you are planning to travel. Okay. Yeah. Kung meron kayong business or you are self-employed, okay, namamayagpag ang inyong business, okay, your business is going well. For some of you, you are enjoying your time. Maybe kayo ay thinking about vacation, no? Yeah, enjoying enjoying the fruits of your labor for some of you, okay? Yeah. You are what do you call this? Or financially, yeah, you are financially independent, financially secured for some of you. Okay? Kung ano man yung meron ka ngayon, it is because of your hard work and dedication sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, merong accumulation of wealth. Yeah. You will be enjoying, no? Kung ano man yung rewards or kung ano man meron kang ngayon. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, your hard work is being paid off, okay? Or will be paid off, no? Your efforts are recognized, okay? You are living a situation na kung dati parang hindi ka nabibigyan ng time or ng chance, okay? Yeah. There is someone also that will communicate to you, seeking for justice. Yeah, because someone is being left out in the cold here, okay? Hindi nabibigyan ng pansin. They need your attention, they need your time. Okay? Yeah. But you will be doing what is right for you, what you think is right. Yeah. Honesty, truth, and balance is important to you, Libra. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving a justice, no? For a past wrongs towards you. Okay? Or yung iba sa inyo, merong someone na makikipag-ayos sa inyo. Okay? Or this is you. Okay? Yeah. Is this a resurgence of love or resurgence of relationship? Okay? Merong panunumbalik ng isang relasyon. Yeah. Okay. Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Merong pagbabago, merong swerte na mangyayari sa inyong Libra. Kung dati parang walang aksyon or walang nangyayari sa inyong ginagawa, okay? But now, merong improvement, okay? Things will suddenly move for you. Fortune is on your side, okay? Yeah, for some of you, merong magbabalik, no? In the situation, maybe this is a relationship. Okay. You're thinking about this before you make a decision for some of you. Allow more time to make a decision. Okay. The World. Yeah, for some of you, merong travel na mangyayari. Okay. Or merong completion, no? A successful completion. Maybe this is about work. Okay. You will be, yeah, for some of you, this is a significant achievement, okay? Na magbibigay sa inyo ng pride. Yeah. Merong sense of wholeness or completeness kayong mararamdaman, Libra, for some of you. Okay? It feels na parang merong importante or na something major na mangyayari sa inyo. Like a milestone moment, something like that. Okay? Your hard work will be paid off, no? Your efforts are being recognized for some of you. Yeah, the Empress. Abundance, prosperity, kasaganahan. Merong stability when it comes to money or wealth, okay? Yeah. And you are also managing your money well for some of you, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga, if you are a creative person, okay, maybe this is the best time for you to launch or to showcase your talent or to start a business or maybe a creative venture, okay? Yeah. Okay. For some of you, you will be protective, no? Of what you have created, okay? Yeah, you are gaining strength. You are learning to say no for some of you, okay? You are protecting yourself. Okay. Merong unexpected na pangyayari or event in your situation, Libra. You are going to make a decision. Okay? Yeah. Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with two people or two situation. Okay? Yeah. And kailangan mo balansehin ang mga nangyayari sa inyo, ang inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. For some of you, work-life balance is needed. Okay? Kung meron ka mang hindi maganda nangyari sa inyo, maybe this is, yeah, for some of you, this is a third-party energy. Okay? You need to heal yourself. You need to forgive yourself and others. Okay? For some of you. Let go of the past pains or past or mga painful na mga experiences, okay? You need to let go of that. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong clarity in your situation. Magkakaroon kayo ng, nakakatanggap kayo ng clarity, okay? Yeah, Queen of Wands. Be confident. Maybe for some of you, this is a breakthrough. Most especially sa inyong trabaho or sa inyong creative projects. Okay? Yeah, you will be confident. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, do not underestimate kung ano yung kakayahan mo. Okay? Do not limit yourself. Go for it. Kung meron kayong negosyo na umpisahan, or passion project na umpisahan, go for it. Okay? Be confident. Okay? Judgment. Okay? New direction. It's time for a new direction, Libra, for some of you. Okay? Be confident. For some of you, you are on defense mode. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga desisyon na kailangan gawin, take time. Consider carefully before you act. Okay? Merong change of location, change of job for some of you. After some time of evaluating your situation, evaluating yourself. Okay? Okay, so think about yourself, no? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you're thinking about someone. Merong panghihinayang. Okay, you are missing someone. Okay. Balance, harmony. You need to temper your emotions for some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mong palayain ang inyong sarili from heartbreak, okay, or from disappointment, or even from rejection. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, be patient, okay? Yeah. And wag magmadali. Kung anong mga desisyon na gagawin ninyo, wag magmadali. Yeah. Suriin ng mabuti. Okay? sometimes stressful ang inyong situation, okay? Pero kailangan mong you need to master, no? Kung ano man yung mga anxiety na dumadating sa inyo or anxiety na nararamdaman ninyo, okay? Yeah, you need to remain patient, no? And kind. Okay? Libra. Tingnan natin. There is someone that is missing you. Or some of you. Libra. Winning. Sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. Don't spend everything at once. Okay. Merong swerte, no? Winning moment para sa inyo. Okay? Libra. Money matters. Expense, save, cut, cost, resources, plan ahead. Make an informed choice. Invest your money wisely. Okay? Duality. Do not forget about the dual nature of people. Don't lose your vigilance. Okay? So, be vigilant, no? Kasi may mga tao na ano tawag dito? Yung minsan okay sa'yo, minsan hindi. Or meron silang ibang personality na hindi mo pa nakikita. Okay? Or hindi mo pa nalalaman. So, be vigilant. Okay? Protect your money and save for the future for some of you, Libra. Ten. If you keep seeing the number 10, this is the message for you. Keep your thoughts positive and be patient as everything is working out for your highest good. Trust that your angels are working behind the scenes to help you. I am patient. So be patient, okay? Trust the process, trust the universe, okay? You are protected by the angels. Meron nagpo-protekta sa inyo. Okay? So, keep your thoughts positive. Huwag mag-isip ng negative, huwag mag-overthink. Where you are right now is where you are supposed to be. Don't compare yourself to others. That only adds pressure. Take each day as it comes and for what it is. You are a better person than you were yesterday. Growth isn't easy, but you've got this. Okay? So, don't compare yourself to others. Okay? So, focus ka sa inyong goals, sa inyong target. Okay? Believe in yourself. Be confident. Yeah. Okay. So, these are the messages for you, Libra. All the best. Maraming salamat sa iyo and see you on the next video. Bye!